On the wrist, the AGM Watch Legion Pro feels exactly like what it is meant to be, a rugged, dependable tool. The case construction is robust without being unnecessarily bulky, and the military durability standard certification is not just a specification on paper. It is evident in the materials, reinforced structure, and Gorilla Glass protection covering the display. The 1.43-inch AMOLED screen is a standout feature. With a 60 Hz refresh rate, up to 600 nits of brightness, and excellent color saturation, it delivers crisp, fluid visuals that remain legible even in direct sunlight. The Gorilla Glass adds peace of mind during hikes, climbs, and daily abuse, and after extended use, it showed no visible scratches. Button placement is practical and glove-friendly, with a particularly useful customizable down button that allows instant access to frequently used functions such as workouts, navigation data, or health metrics. This is a small detail that makes a big difference in real-world outdoor use.